Alright, it's been a while since I made a video. Ever since I had my Camaro up on YouTube. Figured I'd do a little video of the new product that I just bought and installed yesterday. Give it a shot. Figured I'd see what it's all about. With the Alexa Cube. And works pretty good with my video as well. But no complication. There's my hub right there. That operates everything. And let's get the show started a little bit. Alexa, turn off my bedroom lights.
Okay.
See, I can operate my whole bedroom with that. That is like far out. I love it. Got it for a nice little gift. Works great. I'm about to buy a bunch of more products for the Alexa and everything. That operates it too for the fan light bulb, but the pull cord must have been pulled and the bulb is off. So Alexa, turn on my bedroom lights. Alexa, turn on my bedroom lights.
Okay.
There you go. See? Pretty cool, pretty snazzy. I'm liking this so far. It's not bad. It works out and benefits to my well-being and everything. Now check this out. As I sit up and I try to fall on my ass. Let's see. Alexa, turn on my TV.
Okay.
Now watch this. Bam. Magic. Oh my God. Works great. Works wonders. Now check this out. Alexa, go to Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
Not bad. Not too bad. I like it. Got the light. Got the cube. Got the home video right there. The candle going up, making this room smell good. And the lovely PS4 right there. Next to my Skyline. Oh, yes. Alright. Now check this out, too. Alexa, go home. Liking it. Alexa, Prime Video.
I found something about Prime Video. Would you like to hear it?
No. Alexa, go to Prime Video app.
Here's what I found.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. Alexa, go home. I like it. Loving it, loving it. See? Works out to my convenience, too. Alright. Now watch this. Alexa, turn off my TV. Just like that. Perfect. Alexa, turn off my bedroom light.
Okay.
Can't get no better than that. Gotta love this new stuff. New tech. Alright. I'll post another video probably later on or maybe middle of October. So, I don't really do it much, but I'll post some more vids of upcoming projects and products that I buy from Amazon. I will talk to you guys next time. Later.